guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. And
Hi!
today, we cleaned our house, but we still have a bit of a mess with our Nerf guns. But tomorrow, I'm gonna make a new video. Tomorrow, if we'll make a new video, we'll only
Get 1 like.
equals 1 subscriber.
One
So
like equals 1
if we
sub.
get more subscribers or more likes, that'll be nice.
That
But
will be insane.
if we
It
get
helps us a lot.
if we get
Let me hold it for you.
oh my gosh, I just broke the gun. I don't care. Fine, right?
So guys, I need to talk here. If we get 1 like, please get 1 subscriber. If we get more
1 like equals 1 subscriber.
if we make 2 subscribers tomorrow, we'll make 2 videos tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it depends on how many. Well, it depends on how many likes.
5 hours ago, it was a storm, right? I uploaded a video 5 hours ago.
Yeah. Well, it was taking time to upload, but yeah.
But it uploaded finally.
Yeah, we're doing vlogs. Why can't we just play any games? Yeah. It's only the vlog.
So, pass me the camera.
say something to them.
Yeah. What?
Say something to them. Please like the video. And please, hey, listen, if you like the video, this will go away. If you like the video.
Yes, this will go away.
Yeah. Hey, and if you want to check out more, there's
Please,
gonna be more.
link in the description below.
If you want, right.
No! Are you guys okay? I dropped you.
Wow, epic fail.
Okay, just shoot a Nerf dart onto here. This window.
Alright. I did what? But we are using my special gun.
The Jolt.
The Jolt 500. Alright, let's do it! What? Fail! If we get it on, you like the video. Oh no! We're gonna do an outdoor vlog.
Tomorrow. Wow, like
Did
that?
hit the camera?
Yes, it did.
Oh my gosh! Yes!
Yes.
Now you can like
1 like, please.
No,
So,
100 likes.
100 likes. Hold the camera for me and show it me. So this is the end of the video, guys.
And hey, we only made it for 3 minutes. Let's do it way more.
10 minutes. Because all the videos are like
Hey.
1 or 2, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you the outside, guys. It's freaking
Boring. Stop.
Hey,
Wait.
go outside.
Show them outside.
Guys, I'm gonna get my shirt on. All right, so yeah, stay here.
Show them out the window.
No,
Guys, show the camera out the window. I need you to. So,
I am the one. I need my jacket on.
look at
I need my jacket. Channel. Alright, guys.
I just went outside.
Hey, are you gonna go?
Okay, show them outside. You will go outside.
Alright, guys. Yeah.
Go outside. You want me to?
No, I am.
Okay. Give me the camera then.
No, I'm doing it. Alright, I'm doing it. I'll do it. Come on.
No, I'm gonna be inside. Show them inside the window after you get it.
Mom, I'm gonna get a bit of fresh air outside, alright?
It's raining.
I'm just gonna stay under the hood thing. Alright, I promise. Alright.
Cold outside.
Yeah, I just told my mom.
No, I'm still wearing my pajamas under. Guys, look. Look, guys.
Ew! I didn't even show that to you.
Yeah, okay. started.
Alright, let's get my shoes on. My shoesies.
Shoesies.
My Nike. Let's go.
It is actually raining.
I hope you like it. The flowers are nice. Oh my gosh, they're dying.
No, they're not. They're just leaning down.
No, this one is dying because of the too much water.
I just ripped it out.
Don't. We need to.
What is this?
What? What is what? Oh, that's a fire pit from
Last
2 nights ago.
No, yeah. Saturday night we were at his dad's house. They were having my mom.
They were having a party.
My mom invited some friends, and they were having a party.
Hey, all right, guys. We may need to fix this right here. A few of these.
And
that one up there.
Ew! Shove them inside the stick.
Yeah, it's gross.
Go inside.
All right, move.
Wait, it's actually a storm. Earlier, I actually heard thunder. Earlier.
Yeah,
Oh no!
this is our car.
I didn't even rip this out.
This is our car.
It's our mom's car. Wow.
Yeah. I hope you like it. One day we're gonna take this onto a trip.
Ah!
Where there's Wi-Fi. We're gonna take this to our dad's house.
Gonna make videos at our dad's house so you could see what it looks like.
Yeah. There's our neighbor's car right over there.
The neighbor and I are friends.
Yeah, right there. His name is Kanchan and he's Indian.
He's English too.
He learned English language.
No, he doesn't. He already knows English. Okay.
Alright.
So this is how many minutes is this video?
6 minutes.
Let's do it.
We're gonna make a roll.
Let's hit it for 20 minutes.
Oh,
Show them
that's
the
strong.
time. Show them the time.
It-
We have an Xbox.
Let's play some Xbox Minecraft.
No, I'm gonna make a new next. I'm gonna make a video next, another video, and it's,
Tomorrow. Well, yeah, maybe tomorrow.
no, we'll do it after this.
And we are gonna start a survival let's play on Minecraft. Why did you chew that?
So you can.
Ew.
Let me shoot the camera.
Oh no. Oh! I don't. No, it's out of ammo.
Water.
Yes.
I gotta shoot with it.
Mom! Hey, Mom. We need the lights on. We need the lights on. I want you to say hi to...
No, I'm not getting on YouTube.
No, I just want you to say hi.
No, I'm not.
Hi. Hey, where's Happy?
Oh. Guys, so yeah. I can't believe we're actually home. Well, we are going on an adventure. We're gonna take this tablet on a plane. We're gonna record something.
Guys.
Oh my gosh, that's Carl!
He's our dog, right?
No, he's my stuffed dog. Don't hump him. It's inappropriate, guys. Bye, guys.
No.
Hey, guys.
This video for 20 minutes.
Alright, bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah.
Bye.
Alright, hey, and please subscribe to the channel. It will help us a lot.
We have no play button.
We need the play button.
Show
We need it.
Wait, I need to do one last thing. Show them the camera.
Alright, and the camera needs to show me.
I'll hold it.
Hey.
Right. Stay. Right. The end. Hi. Yeah,
Where
that is
is-
the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. It will help us a lot. It will help
Bye,
us so much. We have no play button. We're poor. We poor. Yeah.
We poor.
We only get our channel is a new channel. Alright, ready? We started in 2017 last month. Last month we didn't know how to upload. But now we do. Now we do it, yeah. So, guys, it's the end of the episode. Bye, guys. Say bye.
And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And we will do it. We will
Yes.
do a massive giveaway of Nerf guns.
Hey, guys, can you whistle? Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.